Today is a special day. We are actually celebrating our short and small milestone for reaching 100 plus subscribers. And with that, we would like to appreciate our supporters. We will draw 3 winners and give away some digital assets.
This is HealthyMinds giving you bites and pieces of crypto news.
For today's video, we're gonna give worth $5 XRP tokens. All you have to do if you want to participate is, of course, subscribe, like any of our videos, and share our channel. And then you need to open your own Celsius Network wallet where we could send the XRP. Simply comment below your XRP address along with the tag with the phrase Healthy Minds, and we will look forward on this. Oh, and if you wish to support the channel, feel free to use down below our referral code. You might even receive your $20 worth of BTC if you qualify as the Celsius Network promo. I hope this will encourage us to get exposure and fill the market and have your own digital asset. Today I would like to share something for all of us, and this might perhaps let you think on what's going on Bitcoin and behind the market. Checking the US dollar index, as you can see right now, it seems that it's really on the verge of plummeting. And last time we were talking about that if this 91.75 or 91 range to 92 will not hold, definitely we will have a drop up to 90 range. But right now I'm starting to think that the 90 range index for dollar will not hold, and this might actually come down up to around 88% or 88 index when it comes to the dollar. Checking the daily time frame, that's the only next support that we could check on the dollar index. And as we know, if the dollar will continue to plummet, this only means that Bitcoin has the narrative now to continue to move on and push our initial target around 21 range to 23, 24,000 before the end of the year, or maybe early of 2021. Even though right now the 20,000 range keeps on holding us back for Bitcoin, but checking the strength of the market, seems like we actually expecting Bitcoin to go down farther than the 17K range, but it actually holds this range for quite some time now. And as you can see, for the following days, we keep on getting green candlestick. I got a feeling that this resistance of 20K will be break out anytime soon. And as we know, for the past years, every December 17, if you're gonna check our previous years, there's always something that start on this date. Either this is the start of a downtrend or this is the start of an uptrend. But as you can see, even though we are tapping now the 20K range, it seems that Bitcoin is not stopping this from getting higher lows. So this is another thing also to think about, that we continuously make a higher low, and few days from now, or maybe even hours, we might even see a breakthrough to 21K up to 24K, depending on the volume on the market. So this is quite critical, though on the CMA future, we actually had this gap 3 days ago from the range of 19,100 going down to 18,400. So I got a feeling that if in case if in case that Bitcoin will be rejected again on the 20,000 range, this 18,400 will hold a support, and from there that could be our another jump point for us to move higher. So far that's what I'm seeing on the market, and even though we are getting some divergence on our relative strength, still this only shows that Bitcoin is continue to move higher and the strength of the market is still there. Yes, we could say that the volume is still not coming and it seems like it's continued to goes down, but this actually shows also that in few hours or few days from now we will have a breakout, and I'm expecting the 21 to 24,000 range breakthrough on this current status of Bitcoin. But how I wish, how I wish that Bitcoin will actually go down first on the range of 18,400 before we move up continuously on this range. So at least we will be able to fill that gap from the CME, and then we could move further now and jump to our initial target before we could have now the major correction that could start up to 20,000 range again and going back to the 16,000 range or 12,000 range. So that's what I'm actually looking forward. Better have your own plan on how you're going to do this market. So stay vigilant, and I'm gonna keep you updated, guys, on what's going on the market. So going back again to our dollar index, as you can see now, it's actually knocking on the door. It keeps on climbing this support of 90 range for the index, and the lowest so far that we got is the 90.128. We will continue to watch the market and we'll keep you updated, guys. But so far on our coin market cap, if we're going to check what's going on, basically Bitcoin is for the last 7 days is now up by 6.39%. Same thing with the Ethereum at 6.69%, XRP 18.35%, and the rest of the top coins are all on green. So Cardano at 11%, Polkadot at 8%, even Stellar now is on the 9.7% for the past 7 days. We're expecting a big blow from this market in few hours and few days. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So far that's what we have. We will try to evaluate the market in simpler terms, so where we could actually get the analogy and the characteristic that Bitcoin is showing. But basically, if you are in a bull market, expect oversold on the RSI. That is an indicator already that's showing the strength of the market. Of course, if you are in a bear market, that will be a different scenario. This will be an effective tool to actually sell your Bitcoin during the oversold. But as you can see, it continues to move up even though it's already on the oversold area. So right now, we are really in a different scenario compared to 2017. As you can see, you be able to feel now the strength of the bulls, especially with the institution buying in on the market. How I wish that everyone will have this opportunity to join us on our channel. Now, speaking of that, we would like to thank everyone for supporting and subscribing. Uh, Please try to check the details down below. We will try to give three winners, or we'll try to choose from our subscriber three winners. I'm gonna give away some XRP as your digital asset. Perhaps this will be an encouragement for you guys to get an exposure and feel the market on what's going on. And the latest news, as we mentioned last time on our vlog, the JP Morgan Chase company is saying that there will be a massive demand on the Bitcoin and the rest of the digital currency when it comes to the institutional adoption. And what happened here is, if you still remember, Jamie Dimon, the chairman and CEO of JP Morgan Chase, actually criticized Bitcoin for the past years. The most famous is recorded on 2017, saying that if you are stupid enough to buy it, you'll pay the price for it one day. The thing is, he regrets making those comments and now backpedal. So we could see now that for the past decade, people, institutions, organizations, even some countries and governments are trying to really bring down the digital asset Bitcoin. But as we all know, if you can't beat the party, mind joining them. And they could actually start now seeing the value of this technology. So I really hope that we could see and utilize this market on our end. And on the additional news, crypto revolutionized the art world, or this non-fungible things. So what happened is blockchain will able to give solution on this type of market by having a non-fungible token. So artists now and retail, even consumers could actually go and check what's going on and still have the market move on and goes on. You cannot limit the power of blockchain, just like what's going on with the other digital assets such as chain. You could actually do inventory on the market. So even medicine, food, raw materials, it could be actually added on the blockchain for you to be able to monitor and see where does this come from, what are the process done. So this will really help the market globally. A disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so always validate and do your own research.